Today is the day we bring life to these beds, and something we've been waiting for has finally arrived. Stay with me because you'll want to see this. Hi, my name is Serena. I tell stories of my life through cooking videos, farming, and homesteading life in general. If this is the kind of content that interests you, kindly click the subscribe button for more amazing videos. According to the neighbors, by this time we should have already received good rain, but it has really delayed this season. We have only had a few tiny showers here and there, nothing serious. So that's why we are watering the beds fast. We want the soil to be soft and nicely soaked before we plant anything. When the soil is dry, it pulls water from the seedlings and they get stressed, and some can even die. I learned this the hard way from our previous kitchen garden. Yes, it had rained a few times, but by the time we planted, the soil had already dried up a bit. And from that shock, some seedlings didn't survive. So this time round, in this second shot, we just want to give the seedlings a better start.
Isifike mbali. Azimeizi. Bed ni ukishaeka mmea.
Sijafanya chochote jamani. Ndio how I'm excited to do this. Sababu najua tutakuwa tunakuja kuchuna mboga. Raha jamani.
Can't get this in the city.
Raha jamani, nasikia raha. I also called the kids to come help me. I love involving them because it's good for them to learn how these things are done. It teaches them responsibility and they also enjoy it. So they were helping me fix the seedlings into the soil while I made the holes for them. When we were done, I gave all the seedlings a good watering.
Sasa saa 3 sasa hii inaelekea wapi?
And now, something we have been waiting for. Our doors finally arrived. Honestly, we've been waiting for them for a very long time, so seeing them being offloaded from the cart felt so good. We got the 2 main doors and also the doors for the outdoor toilet and washroom. The main door was very heavy, and the funny part is that the same cart had even carried manure for the garden beds.
Yes.
The fundis removed the iron sheets we had used to close that space and started fixing the door. While they were working on the main doors, the other fundis were working on the toilet doors. After they confirmed the measurements, they started fixing the hinges. These hinges were custom made because of the weight of the door and also to match the look of the house. If you're watching us for the very first time, welcome to our channel. We have been building this home for some time now, and reaching this stage with the doors honestly felt so good. For all of you who have been here from the beginning, thank you so much. Please invite more people so we can grow our little family together. It feels so nice sharing this journey with all of you. Before long, the front door was already in place. It looked so nice. Then they went to the back door, and that one didn't even take long. It fit the frame perfectly without much adjusting. Now the only things left are the door handles and paint, and then we'll be done with the doors. So this is where we are today. We planted our seedlings, watered everything, and the doors finally came in. Thank you for watching up to this end. Keep dreaming, keep building, and most importantly, live the life that felt true to you. Until next time, bye. We shall try again tomorrow.